Now Blu-ray disc is optical storage media. Blu-ray disc is optical storage media, is another example of optical storage media. However, they are fundamentally different to DVD in their construction and in the way they carry out read-write operations. See, they are different from the DVD. Blu-ray disc is bit different from the DVDs, okay? The blue laser rather than red laser is used to carry out read and write operations. They are not using red laser, they are using blue laser instead of. The wavelength of the blue light is only 405 nanometers. 405. The wavelength is 405 nanometers compared to the 650 nanometers for red light. Using blue laser light means that the pits and bumps can be much smaller. Consequently, Blu-ray can store up to 5 times more data than normal DVD. Blu-ray disc has a larger capacity, 5 times. It can store 5 times more data than DVD. If you are purchasing Blu-ray disc, that means you can store it will allow you to store lot of data, 5 times more data than a normal DVD. Blu-ray disc uses a single 1.1 mm thick polycarbonate disc. Normal DVDs use a sandwich of 0.6 mm thick disc. Using two sandwich layer can cause birefringence. Light is refracted into two separate beams, causing reading error. Blu-ray uses only one layer. The disc don't suffer from birefringence. Blu-ray disc automatically come with secure encryption system, as I explained you many times in the class also. And encryption meaning end-to-end conversation you are doing, it will be secured. It will not be linked by any other person. Which helps to prevent piracy and copyright infringement. That means it will be secured. It will not be leaked outside. Whatever you are writing over it, it is confidential. Okay, now what are the uses of it? Okay, we will learn about the uses of it. Home video console, storing and playing back movies. One high definition movie of 2 hours duration uses up to 25 GB memory. It will store up to duration is 25 GB memory. You can watch full movie at home. PCs can use this technology for data store or backing up hard drive. Now your computers already stored some data in it, okay, but now you want to format your computer. You can whatever the storage available in your computer, you can store it in Blu-ray disc and you can format your computer. Whatever the pictures and videos you have uploaded in your computer, it will be downloaded in your Blu-ray disc. It is safe. Camcorders can use this media in cartridge form to store movie footage. Now camcorders, as I told you, the camera recorders, they also use this as a cartridge. Cartridge means when you are printing, taking a printout, that time they are using cartridge. Like that way you can use Blu-ray disc in that camcorder and you can store the footage, whatever the storing. What are the advantages now? Very large storage capacity, therefore ideal for storing high definition movies. Very fast data transfer rate. The data access speed is also greater than with optical media. Blu-ray disc automatically come with a secure encryption system which helps to prevent piracy and copyright infringement. Now what are the disadvantages? Okay, relatively expensive, of course. Encryption problems, which are used to stop piracy when used to store video. See now, encryption problem. Sometimes it is possible that your data is been leaked, encrypted. That is encryption policy. It is possible to have that. There are fewer movies titles on Blu-ray format, which is reducing its impact on some movie market. Okay, now students, whatever I have taught you today, you must read it in your book from your book also, and whatever the sheet I'm sending you, you have to copy the answers from the textbook and copy the answers from that worksheet, and please complete it in your notebook. Okay students, thank you.